cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat the come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last, no, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight, my new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat the come up and they pray that I don't crash now. I pray that I last, now I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight, my new image can't lash out. Yo, yeah, that's good. Yo, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. Yo. Haters beat the come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last now, really was the last. Love. No, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat the come up and they pray that I just crash now.
So the most important thing always whenever you're doing this type of thing is to lay down a good foundation. If you're not laying down a good foundation, you're in line for catastrophization. That's like catastrophe, but just pronounced different. My girlfriend texts me, "What are you doing up? What are you doing up?" I personally always get this type of acrylic paint. This is Anita's Craft acrylic paint. It has a great amount of thickness in it, and it mixes almost perfectly with the textile medium. You can't go wrong with Angelus. You cannot go wrong with Angelus. I would use Angelus for more so like sneakers and stuff. I wouldn't use it for jackets because that's just my personal preference. Angelus is much more. You know what I'm saying? That's that paint. That's that paint. You feel what I'm saying? That's that expensive paint. That's that multi-million-dollar paint. That's that we ain't paid for this paint. That's that paint. You feel what I'm saying? That's why we use this. But I like this anyway. I take this. That's why I could buy Angelus, but I take this over Angelus. You feel what I'm saying?
I pray that I last. No, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight. My new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out. I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat to come up and they pray that I don't crash now. I pray that I last. Now I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight. My new image can't lash out. Talked to Rez the other day. Say they're first one to make it out, but I still don't feel like I'm winning, so I had to ask him how. Said most don't. As far as you, they either get lost or crash out. So now I got this far, man, I gotta make it count. Not gonna lie, I'm not shy. Growing has become addicted. Look inside, I can't lie, man, my day was soaring with me. I've been balling way too hard. There's no way that you can miss me. Really came up from the bottom. I don't care if you accept me, cause I gotta make the gang proud. I gotta make my girls smile. They used to clown me back in school. They wonder if I'm the same clown. Clown turned to a king hitter. I gotta get this green hitter. Gotta go super far. I gotta fulfill my dreams hitter. Oh, you think you bold hitter? I never saw my soul hitter. Brown skin girl, her's jet black, but she shine like.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? This is my night 2 working on this joint. This is night 2 working on this. My sleep pattern is so messed up right now. I'm up in night, but I can't go to sleep in the day. No, I'm up at day and I go to sleep at night. No, what? Golly, see what I'm saying, bro? I'm all over the place. Dang, do I have bags up in my eye? Dang, son. I should probably go to sleep, but you know what? I'm just go to sleep. There ain't no point in me doing this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Just be
dreams hitter. Oh, you think you bold hitter? I never saw my soul hitter. Brown skin girl, her's jet black, but she shine like gold hitter. Might call her Queen Midas hitter. Please don't act self-righteous hitter. Success make people hate on you. That's why they don't like it hitter. That's why people hate me. Remember, girls will play me. You couldn't help me out, but did it, so don't congratulate me. I came from the bottom. I want them, now I got them. Brand new Balenciaga, but down is no Movado. Told her that I loved her. She woke up. I said, you're hearing things. You know I want your love, but I'm afraid you won't stay hearing me. Ace is gone. I've been writing songs to take this pain away. I've been working super hard every day, feels just like Labor Day. Breaking generational curses, cause I'm in my bag now. Don't hit up my phone for nonsense, I can't lollygag now. Diamonds on my neck, clicking, tell me how that bag sound. They said I look like my father, do I look like my dad now? No, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat to come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last now, I really was the last now. Gotta keep my feelings straight, my new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out, I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat to come up and they pray that I don't crash now. I pray that I last now, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight, my new image can't lash out. Gotta keep my feelings feelings straight. My new image can't last now. Love 34 gang X. Yo, yeah, that's good. Yo, I cannot crash shot. I'm too far in my bag now. Yo. I pray that I blast now with a fast love.
Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want me to paint next. For sure. It is done, y'all. Finally. Jeez, y'all. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy, bro. And we got the leak signature on it, you feel what I'm saying? Just made that, you feel me? This is crazy, man. I've never wanted to keep a jacket so bad, bro. I just want to call bro up and just say, hey, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro, you can't have this joint. This is mine for now. I'm not saying no. He got his name on it and everything. I still keep it, bro. But y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to paint next. In the next video after this, I'm gonna do I'm not sure if it's the next video after this, but I'm gonna do a reaction video to see how, he looks doing, how he looks like, just seeing the jacket for the first time, you feel what I'm saying? We're going to do something. We're going to, just going, show the city some love. I feel like a lot of times in DMV, we don't always show each other love. So just showing like the local influencers, showing the people that, that help upbuild the DMV, that, we care about them, and, that they matter type thing. You feel what I'm saying? So like, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what y'all want me to paint next. Whoever comments what they want me to paint next, I'm going to paint it, bro. It's up at this point, you feel what I'm saying? I got at least 20 jackets, bro, that just is ready for me to paint, and I just need the inspiration to paint it. So y'all tell me what to paint, and I'm going to paint it on granny, bro. I appreciate y'all so much for tuning in, bro. And it's up from here, bro. We just going to keep on going harder than ever, bro, type vibe. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it.
No, I cannot crash out. I'm too far in my bag now. Old friends beat to come up and they pray that I just crash now. I pray that I last. No, I really was the last out. Gotta keep my feelings straight. My new image can't lash out. No, I cannot crash out. I'm too far in my bag now. New friends beat to come up and they pray that I don't crash now.